On the plane, all I did was cross stitch. So here is my travel cross stitch kit. I will show you what's inside. This is a super cute project bag I bought off Etsy, off a Canadian seller. I don't remember which Etsy shop, but I like that it has a clear vinyl front and you can see everything inside. So inside, oh, it also has this cute little zipper thing. With a little dog on it, even though there's bats. So I'm like, why is there a dog when there's bats? I don't know why, but it's cute anyways, regardless. So here is my cross stitch, and I'm using binder clips to hold the extra fabric. It's cats being abducted by UFOs, super cute. Then I have my thread or floss kitted up by symbol. And then if I had to substitute a color, I would put this little triangle here marking, I think the triangle stands for change. I don't know why, but see over here. So I had to substitute these colors. So there's little triangles next to it. And then inside I have a printed version of the pattern in case my tablet dies, because on my tablet I have Pattern Keeper. So there's that. And then I also have my needles in here. It's hard to do with one hand. So my needles are in here. And I brought 3 needles in case I lose 2 of them, because you know me, I don't know, I'll probably lose them. And then I just stuck a needle minder inside of this metal tin and it just sticks to it, which is really helpful. Like, you could technically just stick like a plain magnet in here, but I found it was helpful because on the plane, if I needed to stick my needle somewhere and I didn't have the needle minder stuck to my project, I could just stick it to this box and then it would just, the box would hold on because the magnet is on the inside. And then instead of scissors, because I brought scissors last time I flew, and even though they were smaller than, like, the sharp part or the cutting part was smaller than whatever regulations the flight plane people, airport security people have, I still, like, at each checkpoint, on the way there and on the way back through security, they still stopped me, put my bag aside, and then looked at the scissors and put it up against the measuring tool and to confirm that the blade part was actually smaller. And that was annoying, getting stopped. So I just brought my little nail clippers with me. And so it's really easy. I just clip the floss when I'm done with it instead of using scissors. Last time I had brought a little floss thing, and I use the sharp jagged edge of the floss, like, you know, for teeth floss. I use the sharp jagged edge to cut the stuff on the back. Oh my god, don't look at the back, it's so messy. But this time I opted for nail clippers because someone in a Facebook group said to use nail clippers. And then also, in addition to this, I have a highlighter in my backpack that I stow underneath the seat in front of me, and I also have like a promo pen that I got that has like a tablet smart thing, like a tablet pen or whatever it is, to mark the stitches that I've done on the pattern itself. But I ended up just using my finger, so it, like, you don't need to bring that. But this was my travel bag for my cross stitch.